Good day everyone, I am Sergio Alicor. Before beginning our report, I would like to provide a brief overview of our topic. The 105 healthcare system is currently facing severe challenges in effectively managing a large volume of patients, which was at risk of data leakage. Additionally, the system is decentralized. In my report, I will address key issues first the population itself. Second, the organization is struggling to manage and measure the large volume of data. And finally, there are more charts regarding the decentralization of patient information.
This data inconsistency can result in medical staff using incorrect or incomplete patient information, which can lead to wrong diagnosis, delayed treatments, or inappropriate medical decisions. The centralized system may fail to ensure the accuracy and completeness of critical health records, increasing the risk of medical errors, drug misadministration, or adverse reactions.
A professional will find it difficult to treat patients if they do not have reliable information on them. Numerous health concerns could result from this, including improper medication or therapy, a patient's wrong diagnosis, a lack of treatment-related equipment, and many more. Because of the lack of necessary information, this could endanger the patient's health.
System safeguards sensitive data, restrict unauthorized access, enhance user verification, identifies vulnerabilities, ensure compliance, ensures data recovery, educates staff on security protocols, blocks network access, detects and removes malware.
Organizations should deploy secure cloud solutions, automate tasks, enforce role-based access, conduct frequent audits, standardize data entry, integrate systems, automate tasks, and train staff on data handling in order to streamline information management. These procedures guarantee security, accessibility, and consistency of data.